Good afternoon guys. So matagal-tagal tayong hindi naka-post ng video. So now nag-troubleshoot ako ng Samsung walang display. So ngayon ipakita ko kung anong nasira dahil nawala yung display niya. Guys, ito po yung number ng IC na DC to DC IC niya. So ayan po. So I get this IC on the old Deacon board here, and then I change this Deacon board IC, DC to DC IC. The main cause of this problem is this capacitor. This capacitor short. Then test the PNP P-channel MOSFET. If the voltage is not came out here in the center pin, it means this IC have a problem, or the COF. Check the 12 volt here. Fusible is called the fusible resistor. This is the color driver IC, and this is the 3.3 volt going to this, and check the BGL here and BGH here. So now the TV is okay. So you can see the TV is okay. So the TV is now okay. So guys, if you test this IC on the board, check the BGL, BGH. If you check this, you can get voltage out going to this COF to the LCD panel. So if the problem is the COF line, sometimes you can get a low voltage here because the COF short. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe or share for my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the final test of the Samsung 32-inch LCD LED TV. So now the display is okay. So please like and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you.